Hey Chuckers, my name is Evan Sidwell. I'm one of the co-founders of Chuk Outdoors and one of the co-creators of the Chuk Kitchen Box. So the Chuk Box is an organized storage for your cooking stuff to help you set up faster and stay optimized while you're cooking outdoors. The inspiration came from my frustration and my co-founder Colin's frustration with the disorganized bin full of cooking stuff. This is a milestone moment for us. As you might have seen, I have an unboxed Chuk box in the front seat here, and it has been a journey to get here, let me tell you. I picked that thing up in Austin, Texas, and have been trying to find an epic location to do an unboxing worthy of the Chuk box's epicness. And I danced around south of Austin for a little while trying to find the right spot, but nothing really felt right. I was debating, where do I go? I asked people on social media, where should I do the unboxing? And one person did suggest Big Bend National Park. I'd never been to Big Bend. This wasn't on my route where I was planning to go. I was planning to go into Mexico next, south of Austin, but saw Big Bend and Googled it and looked into it and realized that's the spot. This is where the unboxing of this Chuk box needs to be, because it represents exactly what Chuk is all about. I am in a primitive campsite right now. So there's no running water, there's no electricity, there's no bathrooms around. It is nature immersion in its fullest. All you can hear right now is the wind. There is not a sound. It is so peaceful, so quiet, so vast. So getting out here and doing the unboxing here is what it's about. Being in nature, being in tune with nature, connecting with the peace of nature, and choosing to get out here as well. So here we are, finally in Big Bend, able to do this unboxing, and I can't wait to show you what the Chuk box is all about. So let's get into it. It's gonna feel so good to get this thing out of the front seat finally and have that space back. Luckily, it didn't impair my mirrors or driving, but here it is. And honestly, for such a big box, it's not too heavy. Whoop, there we go. All right, exciting. So it was about a year ago that I realized I needed to hit the road. I was living downtown Vancouver, Canada, and felt trapped living in a city, knew I loved nature and wanted to spend more time in nature, and felt like I needed to get out there and live the mission of Chuk, choosing the adventure, choosing to be in nature more. There was so much of North America that I hadn't seen before that I knew I needed to take a Chuk box on the road, use it every day, put it through the ringer, make sure it holds up to long-term use, and make sure that it's a quality product that we can deliver to you. I've now been on the road for almost 6 months, meeting potential partners and retailers, meeting customers as well, and seeing their Chuk box setups. I've been visiting these incredible places like these national parks where I can see if the Chuk box holds up to the test of ruggedness. And I'll just say this before I jump into this. I'm so glad that I have this thing on the road. I use it almost every day. I love cooking outside with it. I don't want to cook in there because it's going to stink everything up. But to be able to take this outside, press a button, pop it up, and be cooking within seconds or minutes is amazing. It's such an amazing system that's helped me and improved my experience out here so much. And I'm so excited to share this product with more people as well. So this is, again, a very important milestone to get here and do this unboxing. It's about time I got to it. So enough story time. Let's get into it. When you crack yours open, first thing you're going to see is the instruction manual right here. You can give that a read, or what I really recommend is scanning that QR code, because it's going to give you the instructions on how to basically set up the Chuk box into that. Something that people have
complimented us on significantly is the packaging here. Super well packaged, so there should not be any damage during shipping. We're starting with some reinforced corners with cardboard here. Then we got this packing foam, which you may actually want to keep and use it as cutout inserts for your equipment. Yeah, here we go. Oh, this color looks good. Amazing. Okay, further reinforcement here on those corners. They're looking good. Do it like this. Come over here, bring it out there. And it's just gonna pick right up and out of gear. With the handles, all those feel good. There we go. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. Yes. Oh, I love that color. Amazing. Looks like it's in perfect condition here. There are a few dings on that box too, so I'm glad to see that it's looking so pristine here. Here we go. Move that at the center, and I'll walk through what comes in a brand new Chuk box out of the box here. So let's start with setting it up. You may have seen this video. Lift one side, pull the tab. There's a sticker here to let you know how to pull this up. You just heard that first leg fall. Now what you want to do is lift. First leg's gonna fall, just like that. And then once again, pull it. Boom. There goes the second leg. Love that. Real solid and sturdy here. There you go. The wings are held in place with a socket lock down there. So you just got to make sure that's clipped in place. Same with this side. Let's bring the wings up. Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, how about it? As for the interior, I'm going to find some protection in here too. Keep it safe. Pull this cardboard out of the wing. Cardboard keeps it from the bins from rolling around and smashing in there. And same with this tape here. We can just pull that right off. Throw some garbage. The bin, tray, and shelf have been stacked in here to keep them tight together, but you of course can organize it however you want. Here's the tray. That's looking great. As for the bin, is that, and actually what comes in here is an Allen key, and the Allen key is for the bolts that we've used in certain places. We've tried to stick with nut and bolts in as many places as possible, because we want to make sure that it's very easy for you to fix things on the road. You know, I know that when you're out in the bush or on a camping trip, if something breaks, if you can fix it on the spot, it might save a trip. So we want to make sure that it's very easy to do so with the Chuk box. That's what the Allen key is for. Keep it tucked wherever you want. I saw one customer just tuck it on the back of the bin here. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to move this down to the bottom rack. And the shelf up to the top. And I usually keep this one in the middle anyways for utensils. So, oh, it's looking so nice and clean. So pristine. Here's a little bit more padding to protect the bins and the interior. This Chuk box is looking so good. I'm so excited to have a second one here. I love having two together because they can stack. I can stack them inside the Chuk wagon for one, and to have two outside makes things a whole lot more spacious as well here. I'm gonna close it back up now, give you a little sense of that too. One other thing you're gonna notice on a new Chuk box is it's got a sticker on this side here. Let's call it the right side, for the side of the legs that need to go up first. So now you know it's always the left side of the box that those legs go up first. So all you do, pick it up, press those two hinges, now they're released. Pull the pull tab back, boom, in. Make sure those, oh, I forgot to lock those hinges. There we go. Bring her down. And then you don't want to just put the weight on that leg. You got to pull the pull tab back again. There you go, pull that back, and now they're locked in place then. So there is the unboxing of this Chuk box. Finally, it's so good to be here and do this in Big Bend National Park. I hope this has informed you on what comes in a Chuk box, how a Chuk box looks coming out of the box, and also inspires you to get out there and choose an adventure, whether that be just to the local park nearby or something longer term and bigger. It's always worth getting out into nature. Thanks for watching, Chuckers. Have a great day.